Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Get the most out of your 23 and up Colorado with Rough Country's 6-inch lift kit. Now this is a complete lift kit that's going to give you additional ground clearance and allow you to run up to a 35-inch tall tire. Let's take a look at what's in the kit. First up, we've got our heavy-duty knuckles. These are going to relocate your control arm mounts as well as your tie rod and sway bar links to make sure you have the factory geometry. Next up, we've got where we get our lift in the front. That's going to be our upper strut spacer and our lower coil seat spacer. We've got our drop cross members that are going to relocate our lower control arm mounts as well as our differential mounts. And bolting to those drop cross members is our heavy duty skid plate. Finishing up the front, we've got our sway bar relocation brackets. Moving on to the rear, we've got our tapered rear lift blocks and U-bolts that go with those. Our N3 shocks that are specific for the lift, both in length and valving. And finally, we've got our rear brake line relocation bracket. So when you're ready to bring your Colorado to new heights, you're ready for our 6-inch lift kit. Check it out today at roughcountry.com.